All right, we're over here looking at peripherals at the Cooler Master Suite. Starting over here on my left, this is the Master Keys 850, the MK850. This is available with MX Cherry blue and brown switches. It'll be available sometime in June. One of the cool features of this is the dual rocker switches on the back of this. Those are going to be completely customizable through software for volume controls or macros or whatever you want to do with them. Moving on to its brother is the MK851. Really the same keyboard, but this is going to be available with an MX Cherry red switch. And the reason for that is the 8-key aim pad that they have over here, which is an analog switch, so you can have fine control for movement or racing games or similar things like that. Both of these keyboards are going to come with the magnetically removable wrist rest and will be available sometime in June. And a little bit more interesting keyboard, this is the Cooler Master SK750. This one's a little bit different than the others. This is using the new Cherry MX low profile switch. They're trying to refine the red switch to get it just right, and it will surely be available with blues and browns later on. This keyboard is honestly gorgeous. It's a unibody aluminum construction. There's still RGB lighting and more of a chiclet style mechanical switch, but you are getting still a full mechanical keyboard. Then this is the MH850. It's a wired headset with a removable bendy microphone, which I always appreciate to get it out of the way when you're not using it. This has actually dual inputs. You can use either a 3.5mm jack or a USB-C. If you use USB-C, you get RGB on the side, because of course you do. And then moving on to their mice, this is the new MM830. One of the interesting features on this one is the customizable OLED panel on the side of it, as well as basically they're trying to do a D-pad on the side of the mouse. This is still kind of in the prototype stages. They're still working out the click. It's a little difficult to click at this point, but they're trying to make it so you can do a D-pad for quick keys. And again, full RGB support. And then this is the MP860. I wasn't all that enthused to see another RGB mouse pad. This one's got a little bit of a trick up its sleeve. It's got the cloth on the top of it, as well as more of a speed hard surface on the bottom. This is really cool. So again, this has been the Cooler Master Suite here at CES 2018. As always, keep it tuned to Modern Zing for continuing coverage from CES from Vegas. Thanks, guys.